Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 4.2 fifth question. Actually, fifth question is given that, see here in the textbook. It is given Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument. Okay, here 5 bits are given. Let me check if he did correct or not once. See, given first bit question, x power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equal to x power minus 6. It is in the form of a power m into a power n, so we can write as a power m plus n. Okay, here I wrote the formula. So here RHS as it is, which is equal to x power minus 6. Now x power minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 is equal to x power minus 6. Now x power minus 3 minus 2 will becomes minus 5. Okay, two numbers having same symbol, we should add that symbol only, we should write in the number. Okay, now x is equal to x power minus 6. See here, if bases are equal, we should equate the powers. So minus 5 is equal to minus 6. But is it equal both numbers? No, that is false. We should not values or equal, we should not get these two or equal values. This is minus 5, this is minus 6, both are different values, no? So it will not satisfied, that is false. In this case, I do not agree with Rakesh's solution. Okay, we should write the conclusion. Next, second bit, x power minus 3 divided by x power 2 is equal to x power 4. Now x power 3 minus 2 is equal to x power 4. X power 3 minus 2 in the sense 1, x power 4. Here bases are equal, so exponents are also equal. Now here bases are equal, no, these are the exponents, we should equate. 1 is equal to 4, but is it possible, is it 1 is equal to 4? No, it is false. I do not agree with the Rakesh solution. That is the conclusion. Now third bit, x power 2 whole power 3, which is equals to x power 2 power 3, which is equal to, here 2 power 3 means we should multiply 2 3 times, so we should get x power 8. That is only, I am taking this 2, x power 2 whole power 3 is equal to x power 2 whole power 3. Now x power, this is a power m whole power n, it is there in the form, so we can able to write a power m into n. So a power 2 into 3, which is equal to x power 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 3 is a 6. X power 6 is equals to, here x power 8. Bases are equal, so exponents are also equal. 6 is equal to 8. It is false. Rakesh's solution is wrong. Okay, now next to fourth bit. Here x power minus 2 is equal to square root of x. X power minus 2 is equal to x power 1 by 2. Minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So bases are equal, we should equate the powers. Minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. It is false. I do not agree with Rakesh's solution. Here 3x power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3x. So we should write 1 by x actually. Okay, 1 by, actually it is given that x 3 into x power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3x. Now it implies here 3 by x. So 3 in the numerator only, this is minus power is there, now we should write in the denominator, so x power 1. So 3 by x, which is equal to 1 by 3x. 3 into 3 means that you can take this 3 this side and this x this side. So here division will becomes multiplication, transpose. Okay, so 3 into 3 is equal to x by x. Now here 3 3 is a 9. Here x by x we can do the cancellation, right? See, x power 1 minus 1 0, so x power 0 is equal to 9. X power 0 is what? 1 value, so 1 is equal to 9. But it is false. I do not agree with the Rakesh solution. Here any number power 0 is always 1. This is the formula. Here we applied. How we can get x power 0? here x power this is 1. Here if you take numerator x power minus 1. So x power 1 minus 1, x power 0. Like that you can get. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.